Hello friends, welcome to our another video. My name is Rajiv and I'm an international travel professional. So today I'm going to teach you how to work on a Sabre GDS. I have already published one more video. On that video, you will learn how to encode and decode of different city codes. So today I'm going to discuss you how to check the availability and I'm going to give you the in-depth knowledge to work on a GDS Sabre. So whenever you work for availability, you have to write one. This is called identification code key. So you have to write one, and after that you have to write the desired date, the date you want to check the availability. So here for the training purpose, I'm writing here 13th of October, and then you have to write the departure city. So I'm taking here San Francisco, and my origin city is DFW, that is Dallas Fort Worth, and I'm going to write here 1400, that is the departure time. So if the flight is sharp at 1400 hours, the Sabre will display you, otherwise the Sabre will check the availability in 2 hours radius. Okay, here I have entered the details. Now this 13th of October is going to be Monday, and this is San Francisco code, and this PST basically stands for the time. This is Pacific Standard Time, and this DFW is the Dallas Fort Worth code. CST is the basically Central Standard Time, and this symbol is called Cross of Lauren. So when you see this Cross of Lauren and the number, it means this arrival city is 2 hours ahead from San Francisco. If you find here minus, it means this city is behind from this time. Now coming to here, this is line number 1, this is line number 2, this is line number 3. So in fact, in this screen, you will find there are 6 flights. First flight, second flight, third flight. Now, GDS Sabre has a tendency to show you the non-stop flight on the top. When you get the flight ends, all the non-stop flight, then the GDS Sabre will show you all the via flights, and after the via flight, they will show you all the connection possibility. So it means, first of all, you will get non-stop flight on top, then you will get via flight, that is very rare nowadays, then you will get all the connecting flights. So here I am going to discuss you this line number 1. So this line number 1 is basically, this AA is the airline code, that is the American Airlines, and this 510 is the flight number. Now this is a booking class, F class, A class, Y class, B class, H class, K class. These are the booking class. These all booking class have different fares. So if you book P class, F class, A class, this will indicate you that you are going to book in a first class. Generally, first class ticket is very cost. If you book in a J class, C class or D class, this is commonly known as a business class. The rest of the alphabet is basically for economy class. So there are 3 cabin class in the flight. The first is business class, and first class, generally first class is the highest one. So first class, business class, and then economy class. Normally, this is the highest fare and O is the lowest fare. Now coming here, this is your departure city and this is your arrival city. Now I'm coming here, you can see here there are 7 seats available in a F class, and you can see in this flight there are only 9 seats are available in F class, and if you see here, this flight number 566, there are 7 seats available in F class. So depending on the availability, sometime you will find here 1, sometime you will find here 0. If you find here 0 after the booking class, it means this is wait list. You cannot get confirm seat. But when you see a digit here, it means there are, as of now, 7 seats are available. Now coming here, SFO DFW is your departure city or arrival city, and this is called performance indicator. 6 is the measurement, it means this flight coming 6 time on time out of 10. Now 13:20 is the departure time of Dallas, San Francisco. 18:45 is the landing time of Dallas Fort Worth. Now 738 is the aircraft module. It's a kind of aircraft. Now when the number is starting with 7, it is normally Boeing aircraft. If it starts with number 3, so generally it is considered as a Airbus. Now this is the meal code. L stands for lunch, F stands for you will get free meal in first class as well as business class. Now if you find here 0, it means this is a non-stop flight. It means this flight does not take any stop between origin and destination. Now coming to DCA. So basically DCA is called direct connect availability. The meaning of this DCA is basically this information is on real time basis. It means this is updated information. It means you can trust blindly on this information. And if you find a DC, it is also direct sale participant. So both the airlines, they are showing their updated information, so you can trust blindly and you can inform your client, sir, as of now seats are available. Other than DCA and DC, if something else is written here, it means you cannot trust the data, the information the system is showing you. It means the system will take you to update you about your confirmation of reservation. So I will recommend you, whenever you are making the reservation, to make the reservation the flight having DCA code or DC code. Now this E stands for this flight is enabled with electronic ticket. It means you can issue electronic ticket. Okay. Now coming to the next point, you can see here for additional classes enter 1*C. It means these are the booking class, but there are few more booking class are available, but that is hidden. So if you want to check the complete booking class, you should enter 1*C. Now this cross of Lauren is indicating you there are few more flights are available. So I'm going to use a command to show you how to check other flights. Okay, I'm just entering 1*. Okay, now you can see the flights are now changed. Here is American Airlines 1528. Earlier, this was something different. So if you use 1*, it means you will move down the availability. So by using 1*, you can check another flights, requesting to your client, and you can update your passengers according to departure time of this flight. Okay, so this is all about how can you check the flight availability on Sabre system. One more thing I would like to inform you. This line is giving you a warning. It means this flight can be used only for international online connection. It means you cannot use this flight for separate domestic journey. You can use this only for international. Like suppose somebody is traveling from San Francisco to Tokyo, then you can use San Francisco to Dallas Fort Worth as a part of the journey. Anyway, so this is the information I just want to inform you. Now, this is the complete information about how to check the availability. So whenever you are checking the availability, you need to focus on two things. The first thing, you need to check whether it's a non-stop flight or not. And the second, you need to check if this is a connecting flight, where is the stopover? It means where the passenger needs to change the aircraft. I'll show you right now. Okay, here I have done multiple times 1*. Now finally I got a connection. You can see here the passenger is traveling from San Francisco to Dallas Fort Worth here. You can see here San Francisco and his destination is DFW. But when you see this line is telling you the passenger needs to travel from San Francisco to Los Angeles first, and then he has to take another flight from Los Angeles to Dallas Fort Worth. It means the passenger has to travel a pair of connecting flight. It means he has to travel 5615. Again, he has to travel 1259. So what is the drawback of this flight? The major drawback, this flight will take much time to reach your destination. But the plus point is this flight could offer you lower fare. So remember, non-stop flight will take your higher fare, while connecting flight will take longer time, but it will give you lower fare. If you move down here again, this is a pair of connecting flight, but the connection is different airport. Okay, so these are the tips whenever you're checking the availability. I hope the information which I have shared with you is good to understand. I'll meet you again very soon with different video that is also based on Sabre. That means the part of this series that will be third part. Take care. Bye. Thank you.